visiting the Seven Sisters and this time round to Meghalaya, driving down from Guwahati to Shillong to reach a remote yet beautiful village of Laichenskew. Having put up at Laichenskew Resort, a homestay of sorts, which sprinkled great amount of hospitality on me, I drove down to explore the caves nearby. Meghalaya is one of those Indian states that has an extensive network of underground caves, some of which are still undiscovered. Mausmai Caves, which was at a stone's throw away from Laichenskew, is tucked away in a little village of Mausmai. There is a network of underground caves which is full of beautiful and sometimes scary stalactites and stalagmites. Contrary to usual tourist spots, the cave stood pretty deserted, with only few groups out there to explore it. It costed me only 20 rupees as the entry fee, with a short hike through the forest to reach the main entrance of the cave. This hike gave me some stunning views of the valley that is usually full of waterfalls during monsoons, and the occasional cafe which plays the local Khasi music. I hear there are cave explorers and groups of cave explorers, and there are still many cave networks in these Jantia hills that are yet to be discovered and haven't been ventured into even by the locals. Some of the narrow tunnels inside the Mausmai cave were clearly marked as prohibited to people like me. Standing at the entrance of one of those and watching the light of my torch disappear into the dark infinity was good enough to send shivers down my spine. Wonder what lies in those forbidden tunnels? We always associate caves with bats, rats, and the dingy smell. The intention isn't to scare you, don't have to be. For the access to the main cave safe system is safe, well marked by safety signs and well lit by artificial light for us to enjoy the formations floating from the air. One can also see the fossils of prehistoric creatures preserved in time on the walls of the cave. Once inside the cave, I was simply left awestruck and short of words. Standing alone amidst the humongous, beautiful creations of nature. No color filters, no special effects. It was all nature's unique creation, which has to be seen to be believed. Bending, crawling, and squiggling my way towards the exit. These images just don't simply disappear from my memory. Joseph Campbell once said, "The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you seek." I pretty well agree with that fact. Mausmai caves dispelled all the notions that I held about caves, and I was rewarded with bountiful of treasured memories. Khoblai, Meghalaya. I promise to visit you again.